Hello again, here is Andrew. I got a couple of questions here talking about talent and drawing, steps, how we do this, how we do that, and brushes I'm using. So let's talk about first one. What does your work steps look like? Well, my working steps, the first thing I'm thinking about, thing I'm be drawing or the scene, making layouts for it, penciling and rendering it with inking it, flats and colors. You may change various things from another if you start from inking, coloring, or you're coloring already on your works if you are a digital painter. What are your tools of trade? My tools of trade are pencil 0.9, 0.5 pencils, A4 paper is free if I'm drawing a large comic book page or drawing it on a Bristol board, then scanning it with a scanner. Then I'm using a pen graphic tablet for the inking and the coloring. So inking I do with Clip Paint Studio. It's far more advanced than the Manga Studio. And I'm using Photoshop for the coloring sequence. I like Photoshop more better than the Manga Studio, the coloring, and if its books are going to be printed or something like that. Is drawing a talent or a skill? Drawing, if you born with it, you are talented. Many people are talented this way. They know what their talents are, but many others love drawing, wish they could draw, but don't know how. Those ones got a bigger thing, got a spark, got a passion. That passion that can drive you far away, that can make you far more better artists than the ones that call them talented. So use your passion, use your energy, use your positive energy to channel this passion and make yourself into a professional artist. I don't believe in talents. I don't believe in this. So work hard each day to reach your goals. What are the brushes? What are the brushes you are using? The artist versus the tools. The artist defines the tools. The artist defines the brushes he is using, not the other way around. Don't make yourself define yourself poorly. If you know how to shade, you know how to use pencils, how to use watercolors, how to use aquacolors, you can use anything to draw or make art. Don't put yourself in a cage, don't put yourself in a box and start thinking that I don't know how to do this, how can I do that? No, I don't stop doing that. Stop doing that. I'm posting the links already because many people may differ with the ideas I got or I'm saying now, but you must train yourself to be a full artist, full mindful artist, full of thinking, full of imagination. Use your meditation, use your heart, use your mind, use your own feelings to make art. Don't put yourself in a cage with a couple of tools, couple of pens. Cel-shade coloring tones. How to make it look like an anime or cartoons. I was suffering this issue for a long time, see, coloring with cell shade, and didn't look to me like it was a cartoon or anime. So I tried hard and I couldn't find any solution for this until I asked a professional artist who works with this style of art, cell shading. They told me stay away from the whites and the blacks and use browns, use purples, use any darker color, any darker tone of a solid color instead using white or black. This will help you a lot. If you are going to do a day scene, you can use skin tone with yellow tones to reflect the sun colors on the skin. If you are doing a night scene, you can use a darker night skin tones with purple or bluish tones to make the scene look like night or dark place. So stay away from those tones, the black and the whites, and start using your imagination for the coloring. I will be posting the colors of Anubis drawing I'm drawing right now. I'm enjoying drawing this character a lot and hope you enjoy it too with me. Many thanks and looking forward to the next video, guys. If you got any more questions you want to ask me, you can post the questions here on YouTube or on the link of my Facebook page down in the description, and DeviantArt if you got an account there, or maybe in Twitter. Thanks for watching. Later, guys.